This talk is important because this talk is happening in the now and it is about the now. Right now, the now means this talk and all that surrounds it. The present moment or the now is the most amazing thing in this whole existence. And so is the I, the one that is watching it. Definitely, the now is what we are witnessing right now at this very moment. The whole existence within the sight and beyond is making the whole of now. The days are passing, years are passing, eons after eons just keep on passing. Suns, moons and stars are passing, the birds are passing and deaths are passing. Rivers are flowing, seas are flowing, lands are moving and mountains are moving. Everyone and all take birth, grow into youth, then exhaust to the old age to finally die. Everyone dies, just the tail remains, that too only for a short period of time. Nothing stands still, even for a moment. Change is inevitable quality of all the things. So many things we strongly desire to hold and even feel it holding for a while. But soon we find it slipping away from our hands like sand. There is an unabated flow of ever-changing existence. Everything is transient and nothing is permanent. Still, in this flux of ever-changing world, there is something that never changes. Everything passes through it, but it never passes. Yes, this is this moment, the now. Everything is momentary, but not this moment itself. This present moment is eternal, beyond time. Time can never touch it. Has there been any time without this moment or the now? Doesn't everything that happen in this present moment? Whatever has happened or will happen, its mention occurs only in the now. The present is all that we have. Past and future are only myths cultivated by the mind. The contents of the present moment change every moment, but this moment itself ever stays still. Like a breeze under which is flowing the powerful flow of river of time. This moment never passes, has never passed, will never pass. Though you may label it with any date or any time. The creation of this universe or any universe, the creation of this earth or any earth, the creation of this eye or any eye, the creation of everything that can be talked about, occurred or will occur in this very moment, and so did or will the death. Dates or times keep on changing without touching this now at all. Past and future arise in present and only in the minds. What about this awareness that is watching this now, this moment? This moment will not be there if this awareness is not there to watch. This sight or this awareness and this moment are inseparable. Like the two sides of the same coin, or in fact, they are same. This awareness is the true self, the real me, or the life itself. This awareness or my being here is beyond time. Can there be any existence without this awareness or me being there to watch it? Can you recall a time or imagine a time without this now and without this awareness, the I? I am this awareness here and now. I do not have merely 60, 80 or 100 years to live. I have only this moment to live. And this moment is eternal, beyond time. And so am I, this awareness, the true self.